All right, guys, it's nickel time again. Hey everyone, it's Rob with Rob Finds Treasure, and when I picked up my half-dollar box today, I asked for a nickel box. She threw one in, popped it open in the car when I popped open the half-dollar box, and sure enough, we've got some circulated nickels. So I'm excited to get started on this hunt. And I think what I'll do is I'll flip this around and take a look at the bottoms before I get started hunting. And if I find something, I'll show it to you. Otherwise, we'll get right into it. All right, guys, we're on roll number 4, and we've got our first 40s nickel here. It's 46 S. We'll take it. 1946 S. We also found a 54D and a 58D so far, so that's pretty good, and a couple of 09s. We're on roll number 12, and I got something I don't get too often in nickel boxes. I got a Canadian. 1998. It's a newer one, but you know what? That's a good sign for me. We don't find those too often. So let's find some other things as well. Roll 24. Got another foreign. Looks like a Mexican peso. 2014. That's what it is, all right. So 2 foreigns. More foreigns than 40s. Tough box so far. Let's find something else. Roll 32, and we finally got our second 40s nickel here. 1941. Philadelphia. Been a rough hunt. A lot of 60s and 70s coins, but nothing that old. We do have 5 from the 50s, which is kind of cool, and a couple of foreigns, but slow so far. Maybe it'll heat up now. Roll 34. Got our third 40s nickel here. 1949. Denver. Same roll. 1941. I think it's a 41S. 41S. We'll take it. All right, starting to heat up now. Is that an old one back there? It's not. Roll 35. Found another 40s nickel. Box is starting to heat up this last half. This is a 46 Philadelphia. We'll take it. And I'll tell you what, I think I see another Canadian back here. Might as well grab that while I have you here. I do. It's a 95. So third foreign of the box as well. Right behind that Canadian, I just hit stop on the record button and then I saw it. It's another 41 nickel. 41 Philadelphia. So that's 5 40s in the last 3 rolls. Roll 36. Another 40s nickel, and it's another 41. And it's another 41S. Yep. All right. Roll number 38. Found another 40s nickel. 1947. Denver. Okay, finished that box of nickels. And you know what? The second half of the box heated up pretty good. We didn't do too bad. I got 3 album-worthy coins from the 60s that I pulled out. We got 6 2009s, 3 foreigns. We ended up with 7 from the 50s. Got a 51 Philadelphia, 52 Denver, a 54 Denver, another 54 Denver, a couple of 58s, both Denvers, and a 59 that's also a Denver. We got 8 from the 40s, and you know what? We only had 1 after the first 30 rolls, so I'm pretty happy with that. We ended up with 4 41s, a couple of 46s, a 47, and a 49. And overall, 16 early Jeffersons, 28 finds for the box. Not that bad. You want to get about 30 to 35 finds in a box minimum. We're a little short of that, but still a fun hunt. Hopefully you enjoyed the hunt with me. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And as always, everyone, thanks for watching.